new earning method in this video again. Let's quickly get to know about website and how it works. Make money selling on eBay. Sell your items fast. Millions of buyers are waiting. Learn the basics. Here's what you need to know to start selling. 1. List your item. You can list new or used items and pay a final value fee only when it sells. 2. Get seller protection. You're protected by policies, monitoring, and our customer service team. 3. Choose when you get paid. You can schedule either daily or weekly payouts, and we'll deposit your earnings directly into your bank account. Selling as a business. We make it easy. We've got powerful tools to help you manage your inventory and orders, track your sales, and build your brand. But we will talk about selling as a business in the next part of the video. Create a great listing. Here's 5 ways to set yourself up for success. Write a standout title. We'll recommend search terms that buyers often use, so be sure to add these in the title. Avoid all caps and focus on specific details like brand, model size, and color. Take high-quality photos. Snap your items from multiple angles in a well-lit place and capture any blemishes for transparency. On the eBay app, you can clean up your images and add a white background. Pick a purchase format. If you want to sell your item quickly, buy it now is probably the best format for you. Otherwise, if you want to try your luck and shoot for the best possible price, choose auction. Set the right price. We will recommend a price based on recent sales of similar items. You can even watch how other sellers are pricing their items, or use best offer to negotiate and sell faster. Ship with ease. We provide recommendations for delivery, but to save on shipping, use an eBay delivery label. Plus, if you're selling locally, you can also offer local pickup. Let's list an item. Start your listing. Tell us what you are selling. Type keywords like brand, model, or other details ISBN, MPN, VAN in the search box above. Choose from possible matches to help jumpstart your listing. Preview, make changes, and then list your item. Proceed the steps as I do. Select possible closer to your selling items. I'll do it fast, and then upload photos how. Where from? I go to AliExpress and find one item that suits my category of selling and save the photos of one item, and then upload them to eBay. I did listing and now you need. Set up your selling account. 1. Connect a Payoneer account. Before we can connect your account, we first need to verify your phone number. We deposit funds for your sold items to your Payoneer account. You have the option to link an existing Payoneer account, or create a new one. Note seller payouts and charges are processed in US dollars, USD. 2. Sync eBay and Payoneer profiles. After you register or link your existing Payoneer account, we'll pull in your details from Payoneer to sync your eBay profile. 3. Add a credit card or debit card for seller charges selling costs. We need a card on file in case you have outstanding amounts owed to eBay and your funds are insufficient. 4. Submit registration info. Payoneer will verify your details, and we'll let you know when your account is ready to go. Go to Payoneer and register. It is very easy. I did registration in 5 minutes. After registration, you will need to verify your email. Then your account will be under review. It may be processed several business days, but I got my review. Then go back to eBay and continue submitting your account and connecting with Payoneer. Your registration information has been submitted. Payoneer is working on getting your account approved. They may reach out to you to collect a few more bits of information. Once Payoneer completes the verification process, you can start selling on eBay. Streamlined payouts. Regardless of how the buyer pays, payouts are consistently initiated within 2 business days, Monday through Friday, excluding bank holidays of payment confirmation to your Payoneer account. Once a payout is initiated, funds will be available in your account based on Payoneer processing times. More choices for buyers. Managed payments gives your buyers a larger selection of payment options such as credit cards, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. They can also make purchases using locally supported payment methods. Simpler fees. Your eBay selling fees and expenses will be automatically deducted from your earnings before you get paid. The remainder of your earnings will go directly to your Payoneer account. No more PayPal payment processing fees. No more separate monthly fee payments. Sorry for interruption. This is our next earning method video. Please give us your support by subscribing to our channel, giving like and commenting your impression or questions. In the next part of this video about business with eBay, millions of global buyers. We're one of the world's largest marketplaces, connecting you with buyers near and far. We've got your back. You're protected by policies, monitoring, and a customer support team created to keep you and our community safe. A community of sellers. Connect with other sellers through hosted meetups, community forums, seller events, and more. It's easy to start selling on eBay. 1. Create a business selling account. This step requires you have your bank account, or credit card information, tax information, and government ID. 2. Set up your account policies. Pick your shipping, return, and payment policy preferences that will then be used for your listings. 3. Upload your inventory. Use our suite of tools to onboard your inventory and start selling. We're where the world shops. A video game is purchased every 2 seconds in the US. A watch is purchased every 66 seconds in the US. A sneaker is purchased every 4 seconds in the US. A cosmetic is purchased every 3 seconds in the UK. A watch is purchased every 23 seconds in Germany. A tool is purchased every 5 seconds in Australia. Everything you need to run your online business. From inventory to fulfillment, we've got the tools you need and can connect to anything you already use. 1. Inventory management. You'll gain access to a variety of tools that help you list, bulk upload, and integrate with APIs. You can also use third-party tools. 2. Manage orders. Our sellers receive discounted shipping labels from major carriers. We also offer international fulfillment with intermediated shipping options. 3. Research and insights. TradePeak, an exclusive eBay Insights tool, is an effective way to research what your competitors are doing, how they're doing it, and how you can improve your own listings on eBay. 4. Marketing tools. Use our robust suite of marketing tools to create promotions to grow your sales. Increase the visibility of your listings using promoted listings. 5. Brand building tools. Get an eBay store subscription to unlock a customizable storefront where you can showcase your brand and inventory to buyers. 6. The eBay app. Manage your business on the go with our app. Control listings, fulfill orders, respond to buyers, and more from anywhere at any time. Open your store on eBay. Pick a storefront plan that works best for your business needs to start building out your brand on eBay. Open store. Find a plan that's right for you. Stores give buyers a destination to browse and learn more about your brand. You don't need one to sell, but if you're interested, we have plans to fit any budget and business. Starter. $4.95/mo. With 1-year plan, or $7.95/mo without. Our intro package for occasional sellers. Basic. $21.95/mo. With 1-year plan, or $27.95/mo without. Get your business started with additional tools and reduced fees to help you grow. Premium. $59.95/mo. With 1-year plan, or $74.95/mo without. Designed to help larger businesses take it to the next level with more free listings. Anchor. $299.95/mo. With 1-year plan, or $349.95/mo without. Even more free listings, promoted listing credits, and with dedicated support for high volume. Enterprise. $2,999.95/mo. With 1-year plan. Get all the benefits of all plans, plus the lowest fees and highest discounts. Not sure what's right for you? No problem. Compare the details of available plans to get a better idea. Compare all plans. Fees for selling on eBay. Insertion fees. Each month, you get 200 free listings and then pay a 35 cents fee per listing for most categories. You can also upgrade for international site visibility, larger photos, and more. Final value fees. Also known as selling fees, they're a percentage of an item's total sale price. Fees can vary for different categories, but for most sellers, they're 10% or lower. Got questions? We're here to help. Here are some resources that sellers new to eBay find helpful. Seller Center. A vast library of searchable learning resources. Community. A forum for support and advice from eBay staff and expert sellers. Customer service. Get 24/7 help from eBay specialists and automated assistance. Seller School. Free virtual lessons, videos, and more available to you 24/7. Thanks guys for watching. This was my next earning method, and by the way, subscribe to my channel. Good luck.